I love it.
Me too, me too.
Oh my god, it looks. I'm not.
You're going to have the best camera now.
Yeah.
I'll be asking you to take pictures now.
How to open it? Oh my god.
Let's have a look at that. What's that? Charger.
Yeah.
Yeah. Very good. Yeah, you have to plug it in, charge it up.
It's really light. It's not heavy.